After the end of the video, if you think this video is not helpful, dislike this video. But if you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel, because we provide quality content. So let's get started. Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss TCS September 2021 NQT detailed syllabus. What is the expected cutoff? Will there be negative marking? And I'll give answer. Can we use pen and paper during the exam? Can we use calculator? I'll give all the answers. And as you know that I got selected in TCS, so I'll share my experience that how to prepare for TCS NQT in 3 days. Okay, I'll discuss everything, so watch full video for better understanding. So let's get started. So first let's understand the exam pattern. So as you know that to get interview mail from TCS, you need to give 2 exams. First one is cognitive, which consists 3 sections, and second one is programming skills, which consists 2 sections. In cognitive skills there will be 3 sections. First one is verbal ability, second one is reasoning ability, third one is numerical ability. And in programming skills, first one is logical programming logic, and second one is coding. So now let's discuss one by one. So first we will discuss verbal ability. So in verbal ability, this is the detailed syllabus. You can take the screenshot. This is the detailed syllabus, and there will be total 24 questions, and you have to solve 24 questions in 30 minutes. And expected cutoff of verbal ability is above 65%. I mean, if you solve at least 16 questions, then you will clear the cutoff. This cutoff is based on the previous NQTs. Okay, so every year almost the cutoff remains same. So if you solve generally 16 questions out of 24 correctly, then you will clear the cutoff. And let me tell you one more thing, important thing: there will not be any negative marking. So if you attempt any wrong question, don't worry, they will not detect any marks. Okay, so now let's move to another section. Next section is reasoning ability. This is the detailed syllabus. You can again take the screenshot, and after that there will be total 30 questions, and you have to solve 30 questions in 50 minutes, and expected cutoff is 70%. Okay, and if you solve 21 questions correctly out of 30, then you will clear the cutoff. This is the expected cutoff. Now let's move to next section. This is a numerical ability, and this is the detailed syllabus. Again, you can take the screenshot, and total question will be 26. Total time will be 40 minutes. Okay, it means you have to solve 26 questions in 40 minutes, and expected cutoff is above 60%. It means if you solve at least 17 questions, then you will clear the cutoff. Now let's move the another section. This is the programming logic. This is the detailed syllabus. Please take the screenshot and prepare all the topics. Now total there will be 10 questions, and you have to solve 10 questions in 15 minutes, and expected cutoff is 60%. It means if you solve at least 6 questions out of 10, then you will clear the cutoff. Now let's move to next question, next section. Next and last section is coding section. This is the syllabus, and there will be total 2 questions. One question will be easy and another question will be difficult. You can easily solve the question 1, which is known as hands-on 1, and second type of question is known as hands-on 2. Okay, and total timing will be 45 minutes, 15 minutes for easy question and 30 minutes for difficult question. And expected cutoff is 40%. It means if you solve at least one question partially, okay, if you solve one question partially, then you will clear the cutoff. Because now the question is, why the expected cutoff of coding round is very low? Now the answer is, as you know that TCS NQT exam, there are many candidates who are from non-CSE IT candidates, but they gave coding round, they gave TCS NQT exam. Okay, so they don't know coding. Most of the candidates don't know how to code, so that's why they are not able to solve the coding question. That's why every year the coding cutoff is always remains low. Okay, so there is a big advantage if you are from CSE and IT candidate. Okay, so you can easily solve question 1. And if you are from non-CSE IT candidate, then I'll give you a tip in my next video how to solve how to clear coding round without knowing us any single word of coding. Okay, I'll give you tips, I will definitely give you tips. Okay, and I'll make a separate video on this tips. Okay, now let me tell you 3 days strategy. Yeah, so first you if you will note there are total 5 sections. In cognitive there are 3 sections, in programming there are 2 sections. So in programming skills daily you have to give at least 1 hour in coding and try to solve at least all basic coding questions in 3 days. Okay, so this is you can easily clear this cutoff, because always programming cutoff always remains low. Okay, you can easily clear this cutoff. Now important thing is cognitive skills. Now in cognitive skills, give 1 day for verbal ability, give another day, give second day for reasoning ability, and third day for numerical ability. Okay, so 1 day for verbal, 1 day for reasoning, and 1 day for numerical. So you can easily clear the cutoff. This is the syllabus for verbal. You can easily now how to prepare, just search this topic, world completion, and practice at least 5 to 10 questions on each topic. Okay, on each topic just practice 5 to 10 questions, then you can easily clear the cutoff. Now similarly just search word pattern, letter series, and practice at least 5 to 10 questions on each topics, then you can easily clear the cutoff. Okay, and similarly try this method on numerical ability also. Okay, so this is the tips and tricks. Now the question is, can we use pen and paper during exam? Yes, you can use pen and paper, don't worry. Okay, you can use pen and paper. Now next question is, can we use calculator during TCS and QT exam? No, you can't use calculator, but there is a good news for you. On the screen you will have an option to use calculator. Okay, so don't worry, on the screen on the top right corner you will find an option to use calculator. So from there you can use calculator, but you can't use any external calculator or calculator in mobile. Okay, and mobile phones are not allowed, but you can use pen and paper, don't worry. So these are the details. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box, and you can join our Telegram channel, so that you can ask your all the details there, and I'll definitely give reply. Let me give you another tip for numerical ability. Okay, so for numerical ability you can do one more thing. If you have RS Agrawal, I think you have heard about this. If you have RS Agrawal, then do one thing, try do practice of each topics and try to solve at least 5 to 10 questions on each topic. Okay, you can easily solve RS Agrawal and 5 to 10 questions on each topics within 1 day. So in 1 day you can easily prepare numerical ability, and I am giving guarantee, if you will do this, if you will solve at least 5 to 10 questions on each of the topics of RS Agrawal, then you will definitely clear the numerical ability cutoff. Okay, because I did this. Okay, so I easily cleared the cutoff, and even I got 500 plus marks out of 600. Okay, in numerical ability. Okay, so you can easily prepare this. So this is your next tip. And in last, if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.